Cancer. The energy around you right now feels like the universe has been quietly preparing something for you. Many of you have been feeling like life slowed down or paused in certain areas. Plans may not have moved the way you expected, and at times you may have wondered why things were delayed. The first card shows that this has a lot to do with timing. Sometimes when something important is meant for us, the universe waits until everything is aligned before it allows it to enter our life. What may have looked like a delay was actually protection or preparation. There were lessons, people, and situations that needed to fall into place first. This card also speaks to patience, something Cancer hearts often struggle with when they deeply want something to work out. You feel things strongly, and when you believe in a path or a connection, waiting can feel heavy. But the energy here shows that nothing that is meant for you has been taken away. Instead, it has simply been moving slowly toward the right moment. The universe sometimes works like a quiet gardener, planting seeds long before the flowers appear. Even when you cannot see growth, the roots are forming underneath. Some of you may begin to realize that if certain things had happened earlier, they would not have worked the way you hoped. Timing has a way of protecting us from situations that are not fully ready. This period may have allowed you to gain emotional clarity and maturity. Now, you may understand yourself better and know what you truly deserve moving forward. So this message gently asks you to release the feeling that you have been left behind. Your journey has simply been unfolding in its own rhythm, and that rhythm is slowly bringing you closer to something that fits your life much better than what you once imagined. The next card brings the energy of healing. Cancer carries emotions deeply, sometimes like waves that stay in the heart long after others have moved on. Many of you have been quietly processing past experiences. This could be related to relationships, friendships, family situations, or even personal disappointments. Healing appears when your soul is slowly releasing emotional weight that once felt too heavy to carry. Healing is not about pretending something never hurt you. Instead, it is about understanding what the experience taught you. You may have spent time reflecting on past situations, realizing what you gave, what you tolerated, and what you now wish to change. These realizations are part of emotional growth, and Cancer energy grows stronger through these moments. As this healing continues, you may notice your perspective changing. Situations that once caused deep sadness may no longer feel as powerful as they once did. Instead of holding on to pain, you may begin focusing on your future and the kind of life you truly want to build. This shift creates space for better experiences to enter. When emotional healing happens, your energy becomes lighter. And that lighter energy naturally begins attracting people and opportunities that match your new level of growth. Another card shows the strength that has quietly developed inside you during this time. Cancer is often seen as gentle and nurturing, but there is a deep resilience in your spirit. Even when life brings emotional storms, you have the ability to rise again. This card highlights that the challenges you faced were not meant to break you. Instead, they helped you discover how strong you truly are. There may have been moments when you doubted your path or questioned your decisions, but every experience added to your wisdom. You now understand situations and people in ways you did not before. That awareness becomes your protection moving forward. Inner strength also means learning to trust yourself. Cancer intuition is powerful, and when you listen to that inner voice, it often guides you in the right direction. The more you trust that feeling, the easier it becomes to navigate life's uncertainties. This strength will become important as new chapters begin opening for you. The universe tends to bring opportunities when it knows someone is emotionally ready to handle them. Another message shows that the universe may begin sending you small signs along your path. Cancer energy is naturally intuitive, so you may start noticing little coincidences that feel meaningful. These could appear as repeating numbers, unexpected conversations, or moments where someone says exactly what you needed to hear. Sometimes signs arrive through your feelings. A sudden sense of peace about a decision or a strong instinct about someone's intentions can be guidance. Your intuition is one of your greatest gifts, and when you listen to it, it can protect and guide you at the same time. These signs may also remind you that your journey is supported in ways you cannot always see. Even during quiet periods, the universe has been paying attention to your efforts, your patience, and your growth. So when these small moments appear, take them as gentle reassurance that you are moving in the right direction. There is also an energy here connected to recognition. Cancer often gives love, support, and effort without expecting anything in return. You care deeply about the people in your life and often help others before thinking about yourself. But this card suggests that someone may soon begin noticing what you bring to the table. Recognition can appear in different ways. Someone might appreciate your kindness, acknowledge your hard work, or realize the value of your presence in their life. Sometimes this recognition can come through opportunities where your talents finally receive attention. There is also another form of recognition that is just as important. You may begin recognizing your own worth more clearly. Instead of doubting yourself, you may start understanding that the love and effort you give deserves the same energy in return. When this realization happens, it often changes the type of people and situations you allow into your life. Another card reveals that new opportunities may slowly begin entering your path. These opportunities might start in small ways, perhaps through a conversation, an idea, or a chance meeting with someone who opens a door for you. For some of you, this could relate to career paths, creative projects, or personal goals you once placed on hold. For others, it may connect to relationships and the chance to meet people who understand your heart more deeply. Opportunities rarely appear with loud announcements. Often they arrive quietly, waiting for you to notice them. When something feels exciting or aligned with your intuition, it may be worth exploring further. Your willingness to remain open to new possibilities will play a big role in how these opportunities develop. There is also strong energy of transformation surrounding you. Transformation means that the person you were in the past is slowly evolving into someone wiser and more aware. The experiences you have faced recently have shaped your perspective in powerful ways. You may find that certain priorities are changing. Things that once seemed extremely important might not hold the same meaning anymore. At the same time, new dreams may begin forming in your mind. Transformation is rarely comfortable while it is happening, but once the process begins settling, you can see how much you have grown. You are no longer the same person who once tolerated situations that drained your energy. This change allows you to build a life that feels more balanced and fulfilling. The final message carries a feeling of hope for the future. After everything you have experienced, the energy shows that your time is approaching. The patience you practiced and the lessons you learned are slowly creating space for something better to enter your life. This could appear as an opportunity that moves you forward, a connection that feels genuine, or a situation finally shifting in your favor. It may not happen all at once, but the movement is beginning. Your journey has been preparing you for this moment. Every delay, every lesson, and every moment of healing played a role in shaping the next chapter of your life. And now the path ahead is beginning to open in ways that may bring the peace and happiness you have been hoping to find. Affirmation for you, Cancer: I trust the timing of my life. I release the past and welcome healing. My heart is strong and my intuition guides me. I am worthy of love, recognition, and new opportunities. What is meant for me is finding its way to me. If you feel this message connected with your situation, you can also explore a personal tarot and oracle reading starting at $9, where we look deeper into your specific energy and questions. There is also a monthly spiritual guidance membership for $99, where you receive extended readings, energy updates, and deeper insights throughout the month. And if this message spoke to your heart today, feel free to share your thoughts. Your story might help another Cancer who is walking a similar path.